Right, this is a little video just to show you a new application I've just downloaded and fired up, which is called Bumptop, and it's a way of looking at your desktop. Now you can see that my desktop's a horrible mess, and I have all sorts of stuff on it, and I find it a real job trying to find things. Anyway, let's have a look. I shall just fire Bumptop up. So whilst that's doing, I'll just pause this, and Bumptop started. Now you can see here the desktop looks very different, and of course it's a terrible mess because I have deliberately made it a horrible mess. It's rather a strange environment. You're in a little room. I can show you the various walls and things, but I won't do that just now. First thing I'm going to do is just tidy up around here. So I'm going to pile everything up by type. Yes, I know that. Let's go. So it tells me all the various things I've got, and it's tidied the whole desktop into handy little heaps, which I can move around. Let's just disconnect them all. There's a picture there from, I'll just stick that on that wall there. That's pictures of my flying with my brother. This is a handy little thing. That's a thing saying new email, and that's a thing saying Facebook, and there's one saying Twitter here. So if I wanted, or there's a printer as well, I'll stick it up there I think. If I wanted to send a file to a printer, let's say I wanted to take a PDF, let's just have a quick look at that pile. If I wanted to send that PDF to the printer, I just throw it at that printer, or I'd plonk it on that email button there and off it would go. I'm not going to do that, but that's what it would do. And close that down again. You can see we've got handy little piles of stuff. Here is what that last desktop view of mine was, is a very large number of folders that I'm working on. And I can have a look at them like this, or I can find them out. I can pull out the folders into a row and have a look and see which ones I want, and I can drag them around the place and put them in different order in there. I can say, well, actually the planning tools one there may be more important, so I just make that one a bit bigger. So I can immediately see my more important files versus my less important files, and you can see I've got some more important files and less important files there. All in all, this is an extraordinary way of working. Though things have got physical weight, they don't just go over top of each other, they have weight. And if I make something bigger, I won't do that actually. If I do want to make an item bigger, let's just take one of these folders out here, and let's just see. There we go. You can see I've only been playing with this for a few minutes. Oh, I've just thrown it onto a pile. Right, let's just take it off that pile. Thank you. It is slightly odd as well, because as I'm recording, I'm using up quite a lot of my my computer's resources, so things are going a little bit slower than I expect. And it should be possible, yeah, I think it is, to demonstrate that small things don't have as much weight behind them as the big things. Yeah, that's right. Whereas the big things will shove the small things quite a long way. So you can move things out of your way with your big important thing. And these walls are all stickable. You can look at the environment from different ways. So I can look across this empty room, and I can stick things that I might not want to use very much just on the wall somewhere. Return to my normal space. They're there, but you know, just need to grab them back down to here somewhere. Oops. There we are. Going slightly slower than I expected. Oh, there we are. Selected it and I didn't do anything with it. There we are. You can go back down to there. So there we are. That's that. Now, what's all this rearrangement of my desktop? What's it actually doing to my to my real desktop? Well, I'll just exit this and we can see it's made no difference to my desktop. But first of all, I have to get them to agree to stop. There it is. Bye bye. Back to the mess. But I think Bumptop is a real winner. What a fantastic way of looking at things.